Yeah, now in the images, okay, now there is a light box issue. Yeah, once you go to images, once you click on the light box, then it's conflicting with the elementor light box. So if you get double time light box issue, yeah, you need to outside click 2 times, then only it will be closing, otherwise it's not closing. So how to fix this issue? Okay, go to dashboard, elementor settings, advanced. There is a switch editor and enable or switch to hide, disable external editor, load method, load font awesome. Okay, style like thing where image lightbox. Open all images links in lightbox. Okay, just uncheck it and save changes. Now I will check that. Okay, go to images. Yeah, now only one side. So this is fixed. One more thing, the lightbox issue. How to 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, how many columns is there? There are only 3 files, 3 columns. I chosen 3 columns, but there it's showing more than 3. So how to fix this? So in this case, go to settings and photo swipe, where you need to increase the width of the thumbnail. Now it's say only, so try to include 250 into 250. Now you can check it out. Yeah, 3 columns. If you want to 4 columns, then you can reduce the width of the thumbnail here in settings, photo swipe settings and photo swipe. Okay, right.